Store-bought sprays are roughly 10 to 20% as strong as professional formulations and break down in 2 to 4 weeks instead of 90 days. Professional pest control is worth it when you have an active infestation. For light prevention only, DIY plus one initial pro-barrier treatment can carry you through the season. Guard 2026 pricing starts at $49 initial, then $119 per quarterly visit for homes under 2,500 square feet. Total is about $525 in year one. Ants, hobo spiders, and mice are the hardest Idaho pests for DIY. Ant colonies split when you spray, spiders hide in wall voids, and mice breed faster than snap traps kill them. Summer is when DIY fails hardest in Boise. Peak ant, wasp, and spider pressure hits June through August, and store sprays simply cannot keep up with that volume.